Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Ford Mustang garage door opener. This convenient home link system lets you open and close your garage door right from your car, eliminating the need for a separate remote. We will cover the simple steps to get your Mustang's home link working smoothly, allowing you to control up to 3 different garage doors or compatible devices with ease. Let's get started and make your daily routine a little simpler. Before we begin programming, a few preparations will ensure a smooth process. First, turn your Mustang's ignition to the on position, but there's no need to start the engine. Next, find your home link buttons, usually located on the overhead console or sun visor. You'll also need your original garage door remote. If this is your first time programming, or if you want to clear any existing codes, simply press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons for about 10 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Now, let's program your opener. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the remote button and your chosen home link button. Keep holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow blink to a rapid flash, then release both. If your garage door uses a rolling code system, you'll have an additional step. Press the Learn or Smart button on your garage door motor, then quickly return to your Mustang and press the programmed home link button for 2 seconds, releasing and repeating up to 3 times. Sometimes, programming might not work on the first try, but don't worry. If you encounter issues, first check that your garage door remote has a fresh battery. For rolling code systems, ensure you complete the Learn button step on your garage door motor within 20 to 30 seconds. If you're still having trouble, your Mustang's owner's manual provides detailed, model-specific instructions. Also, some LED garage light bulbs can cause interference, so temporarily switching to incandescent bulbs might resolve the problem. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.